Yeah, this is the plan is called as Jivan Vridhi. This is a single premium product for the term is fixed. It's for 10 years. It is on a unit linked platform. It has a guaranteed return. So after 10 years we are giving a guaranteed return. It has a life cover which is 5 times the premium that is going to be paid. Supposing the premium one is paying 1 lakh, then 5 times the premium, that is 5 lakhs, will be the risk cover. Apart from the guaranteed addition, we will also be giving loyalty addition on the experience of the product at the end of 10 years. So this is going to be a very good product where the customer will be very much benefited. Both it will cater to the needs of life cover as well as investment. It's an excellent product that we are looking forward to launch, and I'm sure it will be liked by everyone. It is from 8 to 50 years. The interest is not that interest. We are giving a guaranteed return. So we call it, that's the guaranteed return has been calculated as per the age of the policyholder, and that is to be informed as and when depending on the age of the policyholder. Minimum premium again depends on the age of the customer. That way, when it starts from 8 years, like some parent is taking on the life of a child, then the premium will be much lower, and somebody taking at the age of 50, it will be little higher. So that way it will vary again, and that calculation is there. You have, on any specific age we can calculate and tell. Usually what we do on any of our conventional products, we give loan after 3 years the policy runs for, then only we give a loan. But here in this product we are giving a loan after 1 year of the term of the policy, we give a loan, and that loan is given to whatever amount there is a calculation for the loan. So but we are giving a loan facility which is after 1 year. No, this is a product because we are an all India organization, product for all over the country. It's not only for AP and Karnataka, but I am talking on behalf of AP and Karnataka because we have 8 zones, and this zone which I head is consisting of 2 states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. We are certainly having a target, and since this is a wonderful product, a single premium product, and with a fixed term of 10 years, and again this has a limited period of sale, that's it's open for only 120 days. We have a big target, and we intend to collect at least 3,000 crores of rupees in the month of March itself. This March itself we are going to collect, as the product has been launched on the 1st of March. This is going to be a very good premium generating product for us for the month of March. We are presently occupying the 2nd position at the All India, both in the number of policies and absolute volume in premium. Response also has been going very well in my zone, and we are there also. We are doing very well. We have sold about 50,000 policies in 2 months. Not exactly 2 months. It started on 23rd January. It was launched, and today we are just 1 month and 10 days. We have sold about 50,000 policies in our zone. Yes, today LIC is always the market leader, and very proud to say that our share is more than 72% in premium. With so many competitors, we still continue to lead the market, and with very high market share, and we will continue giving good results. We will continue servicing our customers in a big way, and we will continue with all your support. I am sure our market share, our support, and our contribution will certainly continue to be great. See that those things we do not come out until unless the product is approved by RDA. We will not be able to tell you what exactly is coming, but we have certainly quite a few products in the pipeline. But when it is going to be released, that will depend on the approval of the RDA.